challenge our members because we are opening 3 more children outreaches. We already have an existing one, it's in Bental, sa lugar ni Auntie Lisa. And we are opening 3 more. There is a sped where Anilin and Brother Jim's store is located because they're offering their space as a venue for our children's outreach. Another one is in Reldo sa balay ni Naumi, and offers sa ilang balay para nakita children's outreach dito. And then another children's outreach, there is a church mismo every Saturday sa hapon, 3 to 4. And sa Reldo, Saturday hapon 3 to 4. Pero sa tindahan nila ni Brother June, Sister Hanimi, Domingo 3 to 4. We have venues, we have places already, we have members volunteering and then offering their places. We don't have teachers. Remember, isa sa mga responsibility of goals sa church is evangelism and outreach. Okay, and we would like to emphasize that Great Commission is here because that's a part of us that we are lagging behind. I would say it's something that we need to emphasize more and push more. I think we are disobeying the Lord by the day when we are neglecting this other purpose of the church, and that is outreach and evangelism. The Bible is very clear in Matthew chapter 28, go ye therefore and teach all nations. We got to do some outreach. Are you interested? Would you like to be used by God? We have Sunday school teachers already. We have musicians already. We have officers already. We have deacons already. Wala pa tayo mga outreach teachers. Would you like to serve the Lord? Ayaw kahadlok sa skills and knowledge because we will conduct trainings. We will conduct trainings. Ang music team na sila'y seminar the other week. You will also have your seminar. You will also have your workshop. Are you interested in sharing and teaching God's Word to little kids? My soul and little kids are our kind of bridge to the parents. We don't stop with the kids. We will also like to reach out to the parents someday. But we got to pass through the kids. The kids are important in themselves. The parents are also important. We got to reach out to the parents too, but we got to do it through the kids. Because the mga kids are more recipient and more interested than the parents. So we could do that by passing through the kids. Would you like to teach? Would you like to teach children sa Reldo, sa Buhan? Would you like to teach children there is a sped a bit? Would you like to teach the children there is a church this school and this other thing? We will not start the outreach if there are no teachers. Not a venue. Not a mo facilitate. Kulang na lang mga teachers. Approach me. Kaya murag, ako na lang yata ang kulang para magpapit ng ating mga workers. Alright? Nanatay mga workers sa music and worship. Nanatay mga workers sa Sunday school and discipleship. Sa outreach na lang ta, kulang. And I'm praying that God will also raise up someone who will become our coordinator for the outreaches. Kaya naman tayo coordinator sa Sunday school. Naman tayo coordinator sa music. Sa outreach na lang. Kasi we got to do some outreach because that's one thing. It's a command that we cannot just take for granted. So are you interested to teach children? Okay? So we have 3 possible outreaches and 1 is existing already. Kung di mo gusto mo palayo, so you can teach here sa mga kids. There is a church. Okay? Gusto mo gawa sa church, pero doon lang, pwede mo sa spread. Gusto mong layway kamay, dito sa puan. Okay? So, I challenge you. Okay? Panawagan niyan sa mga members na wala may clear na ministry. And also na tayo in charge atong handout. So, si Lenny o si X-Gels, I thank the Lord for that. So, nakukuha na po kami akong mga ginagawa every week. So, hinahingi na nawala akong mga burdens because some people are are embracing and accepting these responsibilities. And God bless those people who came and then they said, Pastor, I would like to do this, I would like to do that. Isa na lang po, isa, if someone would like to teach the adults class, kaya kung pwede lang, I'll focus on the preaching, then relax sa Sunday school, help the coordinator nato in ushering out people coming in. I could do that so that I could just focus na sa preaching and then someone would like to teach the adults class also for any ideas way. I don't want to be nahari. Probably na yung leader sa leading that mind for anyone else. Kaya buko pa lang kay may muna ako na ako na ito hand out sa tagay ko here. So this is to be our handout for today. You notice na post-cutting task so na lang the page because we like to save paper, save time, save ink. And not to save it, we just like to do this now. So please be reminded of our weekly schedules. This will start at 9. I'd like to address our desire to go on time. I know all of you desire to come on time. So I pray that may God fulfill that desire. Makita makaabot ng Lord. Moment at Asdays and Sunday worship 10 to 11:30. Then Friday prayer meeting 7 to 9 p.m. Monday prayer meeting for those who don't know. And then mga young people, they have their Tuesday Bible study 6 to 8 p.m. Major events, don't miss this. Lord's Supper. Duha ka schedulean para kung di ka attend sa Lord's Supper sa April 11, can take the supper sa April 25. Okay? Mo na mga weeks na nag-surround sa tuwang Holy Week. So, church anniversary will be on April 20. Lahat anniversary is April 21, but we schedule our celebration to the nearest Sunday sa April 21. Youth camp sa Mount Carmel, April 14 to 19. Then Thanksgiving service, December 21. Sa likod, may suot, di na ibutan inyong mga notes sa whatever message I make here. Okay, so you have the title, you have the text, and then magsulatan na as the title and text will be, and body main points will be shown sa screen. Of course, picture of the week, some young people during the fellowship sa Visaya last March 2011. Okay. Kasi siya na lang ninyo ang mga posing nila din niya.